Wire spooling machine 040215. Wire spooling machine 040215, designed for winding a group of loose wire windings from an enamel wire over round cross-section for electric motors. The machine consists of a body, a faceplate with templates to be installed in it, and a footplate drive pedal. 4 templates with a radius of 30, 38, 55, and 71 millimeters are included in the package, which ensures the versatility of the machine. Winding templates are mounted on the axles and secured with nuts. By rotating the screw, the templates are set to a size corresponding to the length of the coil of spool. Using a frequency changer or frequency converter allows you to smoothly adjust the speed of the faceplate from 0 to 545 rotations per minute. Starting and stopping the faceplate drive is done by pressing the pedal. On the protective cover, there is a programmable electronic rotation counter, which allows you to count the rotations of the faceplate, including the rotations in reverse, with automatic direction detection by 2 proximity induction sensors. When the counter reaches the specified number of turns in the wire coil, the faceplate automatically stops. The counter is reset by pressing the reset button on the front panel of the device. The wire spooling machine is simple as possible to operate and maintain, not needing infrequent and high-quality maintenance. Training personnel to work on this machine does not require complex training programs. Low power consumption will allow to operate the wire spooling machine in workshops with low voltage electric wiring. Electric equipment repair supplier ELECTROMASH Trading House.